Are you using Ubuntu 24.04 in VirtualBox and struggling with a small screen? Full screen does not work no matter how much you resize the window. Even copy-paste may not work properly. Don't worry, this is a very common VirtualBox issue. Today I will show you how to install VirtualBox Guest Edition and fix all these problems step by step. So make sure you don't skip any steps and watch the video till the end. First, open Oracle VirtualBox on your system. Here, select your Ubuntu 24.04 virtual machine and click on Start. Once Ubuntu boots up and you reach the desktop, the first things we need to do is to update the system. So for that, you need to open the terminal. So you can press Ctrl plus Alt plus T on your keyboard to open it quickly. Or you can click on Show Apps at the bottom left corner, you can see. And then open terminal from there. Once the terminal is open, here you need to type one command, sudo apt update. Then press enter. You will be asked for your password. So this is the same password you use to log into Ubuntu. While typing the password, you won't see anything on the screen. So that's a normal. So don't worry, just type the password and press enter. Once the update process is done, you may see that some packages need to be updated. So next, type this command, sudo apt upgrade. Then press enter. When it asks, do you want to continue? Just press Y on your keyboard and then press enter. This will install the available updates. And here you need to wait until the process completed. Okay. Once everything is finished, you need to restart your Ubuntu. So go to the top right corner, then click on Power and then click Select Restart and click on Restart. After Ubuntu starts again, once more time you need to open the terminal. Before installing Guest Edition, we need to install some required packages for Guest Edition. So you need to type this command very carefully. And the command is sudo apt install build -essential dkms linux -headers $, first bracket uname space -r, close the bracket. Don't worry if it looks long, I have given the same command in the description below, so you can simply copy and paste it from there. Again, enter your password here if prompted. When asked to continue, just press Y and hit enter. Without this package, full screen and display features may not work properly. Okay. So once the installation is complete, you can close the terminal. So after doing all these steps, now it's time to insert the VirtualBox Guest Edition CD inside our Ubuntu system. So you need to move your mouse to the top menu of the VirtualBox, then click on Devices, then click on Insert Guest Edition CD image. And this will mount the Guest Edition disk inside Ubuntu. You can see. Now you need to double click on this. And when this window opens, just click on Run Software. A confirmation message will appear asking if you want to run the software. Just click on Run. You will again be asked for your password, enter it and press enter. Now the VirtualBox Guest Edition installation will start. You need to just wait here. This may take a minute or two. Okay. Once the installation finishes, you will see a message saying press return to close this window. So just press enter on your keyboard. After that, you need to close this window. So next, restart your Ubuntu system one more time. So click on Power and then choose Restart. This restart is required so all the changes can take effects. After Ubuntu boots up, now you can try maximizing the window. So go to the View menu in the VirtualBox and select Full Screen Mode. Or you can simply press the right Ctrl key plus F. and you will notice that the screen now automatically adjusts to the full screen. The display looks clear and the mouse moves smoothly without getting stuck. To exit full screen mode, just press right Ctrl key plus F again. You can also resize the VirtualBox window and the resolution will change instantly. That means Guest Addition is working perfectly and the issue has been resolved now. Now let's also set the shared clipboard features. So go to the VirtualBox menu at the top, then click on Device, then move to Shared Clipboard and select Bidirectional. This allows you to copy and paste text between your host system and the Ubuntu virtual machine. And that's all it takes to fix full screen and display issue in Ubuntu 24.04 on VirtualBox. If this video helped you guys, please like, share and subscribe for more simple and practical tech guides. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.